Disclaimer: all the information provided in past on internet research, we do not claim or guarantee any information is 100% correct. Please subscribe my channel and like, share, comment my video.
Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are all well in the midst of this corona epidemic. I'll do my best to entertain you at this time. Friends, today in the video I will talk about Thai handsome and popular BL actors 2021. So friends, let's take a look at the detailed video. Friends will hopefully watch the full video and give you valuable feedback. New Thitipom. New Thitipom is a Thai actor and host. New is known for his main roles as Apo in GMM TV Waterboy drama. New birth date 30 January 1993, age 28, height 178 centimeters. Drama series I Am T, Me Too 2020, Drag Blue Kiss 2019, Our Sky 2018, and Shorts S 2017, Shorts 2016. PP Crit. PP Crit is a Thai actor, model and singer. PP Crit is known for his roles as Tekyo in My Ambulance and as O Away in I Told Sunset About You dramas. PP Crit birth date 30 April 1990, age 21, height 177 centimeters. Drama series I Stories 2018, My Ambulance 2019, I Told Sunset About You 1 and 2 2020 and 2021. Bilkin Purthipong. Bilkin Purthipong is a Thai actor and singer. Bilkin is known for his roles as Tao in My Ambulance and as T in I Told Sunset About You. Bilkin birth date 8 October 1999, age 21, height 178 cm. Drama series I Told Sunset About You 2020 and 2021. 1 year 365 Wanban Sonban Tour 2019. Apumpat. Apumpat is a Thai actor. Apumpat birth date 4 December 1994, age 26, height 180 centimeters. Drama series Lovely Writer 2021, Girl from Nowhere 2018. Cow Noppakau. Cow Noppakau is a Thai actor popularized by acting as main leads in the series Until We Meet Again. Cow birth date 9 September 1994, height 183 centimeters, age 26. Drama series Lovely Writer 2021, Until We Meet Again 2019. Safai Kafak 2018. Wen Mitawen. Wen Mitawen is a Thai actor of Chinese descent. Wen is known for his acting debut and leading role as Tin in Two Greater the series. Wen birth date 21 February 1999, age 22, height 185 centimeters. Drama series F4 Thailand Boys Over Flowers 2021, Two Greater 2020. Bride Bhasirawait. Bride is a Thai actor, singer, host and model. Bride Bhasirawait is best known for his leading role as Sarawat in Two Greater series. Bride birth date 27 December 1997, age 23, height 183 centimeters. Drama series I Saw You 2018, Two Greater 2020, In Time With You 2020 and more drama. Mix Sahapap Wangras. Mix Sahapap is a Thai actor and singer under GMM TV. Mix Sahapap date of birth 22 July 1998, age 22, height 180 centimeters. Drama series A Tale of Thousand Stars 2021, Fish Upon the Sky 2021. Art Pirapat. Art Pirapat is a Thai actor. Art is known for his main roles as Y in Waterboy the series and So in Kiss Me Again. Art Pirapat date of birth 23 February 1994, age 27, height 182 centimeters. Drama series A Tale of Thousand Stars 2021, Theory of Love 2019, Kiss Me Again 2018, Love by Chance 2018, Waterboy 2017. Epo Natawin is a Thai model and actor. Epo Natawin, date of birth 24 February 1994, age 27, height 183 centimeters. Drama series Kin Force 2021, Praksit Kamma Thief 2020, Kai Mok Mongkon Fire 2018, and more dramas. War Wanarat Ratsa Mirat. War Wanarat is a Thai actor who has so far mainly worked in the Thai BL industry. War, date of birth 23 June 1994, age 26, height 170 centimeter. Drama series End of Love, Love Machines 2021, Love Machines 2022, Online 2017, Transistor, Love Story 2018. Ian Annan Ong is a Thai actor and model. Ian Annan, date of birth 1 October 1998, age 22, height 178 centimeters. Drama series Love Machines 2021, End of Love, Love Machines 2020. God Ithipat is a Thai handsome popular actor and model. God Ithipat, date of birth 4 August 1995, age 25, height 190 centimeters. Drama series 2 Moons 2017. Op Jampal is a Thai actor and host. Jampal is known for his main role as Khai in Theory of Love drama. Of Jampal, date of birth 20 January 1991, age 30, height 178 centimeters. Drama series I Am T, Me Too 2020, Theory of Love 2019, Our Sky 2018. Bas Suradit Piniwat. Bas is a Thai actor and singer. Bas Suradit came to prominence from the role of Wayo in the Thai BL drama 2 Moons the series. Bas, date of birth 4 March 1999, age 22, height 178 cm. Drama series Hotel Stars 2019, Two Brothers 2019, Why Back Home 2018, 2 Moons 2017. Parth Dhanapon. Parth is a Thai singer and actor. Parth Dhanapon made his acting debut with his role in In Love by Chance series. Parth, date of birth 20 March 2001, age 20, height 178 cm. Drama series The Standard 2019, Reminders 2019, Love by Chance 2018. Gan Attaphan Punsawat. Gan is a Thai actor and host. Gan Attaphan is best known for his roles in the TV series The Gifted and Theory of Love. Gan, date of birth 4 October 1993, age 27, height 168 cm. Drama series I Am T, Me Too 2020, The Gifted, Graduation 2020, Theory of Love 2019, Our Sky 2018. Saint Supapong. Saint is a Thai actor, rapper, singer and model. Saint Supapong gained popularity his role as Pretty in the 2018 TV series Love by Chance. Saint, date of birth 17 April 1998, age 22, height 181 cm. Drama series Why Are You 2020, Reminders 2019, Love by Chance 2018. Singto Parasaya. Singto is a Thai actor and model. Singto Parasaya is well known in Thailand for his role as Kong Pop in Shorts the series. Singto, date of birth 28 July 1994, age 26, height 177 cm. Drama series Romantic Blue 2020, I Am T, Me Too 2020, He's Coming to Me 2019, Our Sky 2018. Shorts is the series 2017, Shorts the series 2016. Chris Pratt. Chris is a Thai actor and singer. Chris Pratt is best known for his role as Arthit in Love series Shorts the series. Chris' date of birth 18 October 1995, age 25, height 170 cm. Drama series I Am T, Me Too 2020, Shorts is the series 2017, Shorts the series 2016. Mew Suppasit. Mew is a Thai actor and singer. Mew Suppasit is known for his role as Than is Than type. The series Mew, date of birth 21 February 1991, age 30, height 183 cm. Drama series Than type 2, 7 years of Love 9 2020, What the Dark 2, Final Call 2019, Than type 2019, What the Dark 2018. Gulf Kanawat. Gulf Kanawat is a Thai actor and model. He is well known for his role as Type in Than Type, the series. Gulf, date of birth 4 December 1997, age 23, height 185 cm. Drama series Than Type 2, 7 years of Love 9 2020, Secret Theory of Kissing 2020, Than type 2019.
Friends, it is very important for you to know that all the money earned from my channel will be used for the welfare of the disadvantaged children of my country. Warning friends, it is very important to follow some hygiene rules to prevent coronavirus. For example, number 1, refrain from shaking hands and hugging. Number 2, clean your hands with soap for 20 to 30 seconds. Number 3, before coughing, use a tissue and handkerchief and wash your hands with a tissue or handkerchief, a covered bin. Number 4, try to maintain social distance and refrain from touching the eyes, mouth, nose with your hands. Number 5, if you sneeze or cough, use a mask. Number 6, there is no tissue during sneezing, coughing, use elbow. Number 7, consult a doctor if you have a fever. Thank you for watching the full video. Friends, that's all for now. Stay tuned to my channel to get the latest news from your favorite celebrities.